back with how to do a dumbbell goblet squat. So goblet squats are awesome for your glutes, hamstrings, quads, but what I love too is that they're going to help you keep your chest lifted during the movement, so you're really getting full range, you're really getting a good squat that also has a little bit of upper body involved, a little bit of spinous erectus. So start with a weight that is going to challenge you but not be impossible. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to grab a dumbbell to start with these. When you set up your stance, hips are just about, or feet are just about shoulder width apart, and I like your toes turned out just a bit. You don't want them all the way out to the sides. So toes turned out just a bit and chest lifted. So grab the dumbbell at the base and then take and grasp it between your hands, bringing the dumbbell up to your chest. Don't let your elbows flare out. You want to keep your elbows in towards your body, and you can let the weight rest at chest level. So as you start the squat, you're going to keep your abs tight and you're going to sit back. I like to pretend like there's a wall behind me, that I'm dragging my back down and keeping your chest lifted as you do it, and then pushing all the way back up. So you're going to squat down and push back up. So a couple things with these. You want to make sure the weight stays in your heels. So for a goblet squat, you don't want to be rocking forward onto your toes. You want to make sure it stays in your heels and you sit your hips backwards through the movement and back up. So as I come down, it's awesome. If your knees feel pretty good with this, you can even come just a little bit deeper than parallel and push back up. Something else to keep in mind, a lot of times one watch out is that people will let their knees collapse inwards. So when you're doing these squats, chest stays lifted, you're pressing slightly out with your legs so that your knees don't collapse in. And your chest stays lifted all the way down and all the way up. All right, that is a dumbbell goblet squat.